Yeah, I'm out bailing. Like I had said in the video that I made raking the other day, we got to do this all in the morning because of how dry it gets around here. And right now it's just barely moist enough to get any baled. So once the sun comes up over the mountains over there, it's going to get too dry pretty quick. We've had some pretty hot and dry weather lately, so sorry, I gotta dump bales on the accumulator. Yeah, last time you saw us baling hay, we were going about 3 miles an hour because of how thick the wheat was. Now I'm going about 6.3. And probably could go a little faster. But yeah, see, 53 flakes a bale. I could go a little faster. However, it gets a little bumpy. So 10th gear's pretty good. Gobbling up hay pretty quick. Yeah, hopefully it's light enough now. Yeah, you can see the windrows out there in front of me. A bunch of bales over there that we already got out. Okay, so the sun's coming up, and as far as what I get to see in the morning, the best part about coming out to do this stuff is getting to see these awesome sunrises. Hopefully we can still see the mountains. I just wanted to share it with everybody because I hog it all every day. So there you go. Alright, this should be pretty cool. Sorry, I'm getting gear and everything. I'm right next to our irrigation sprinkler. I got out to move it. Oh, one of them took off. But yeah, there's a little baby hawk right there. Mama just took off and flew a little ways away right there, but that is the other good part about doing this. You get to see lots of wildlife. We get antelope out here all over the place. There's the other one right there. For the most part, they don't really care about the equipment. They're definitely cautious. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get some footage of them when I'm out cutting hay, because it turns into a big old frenzy. It's like sharks. It's pretty cool. But yeah, when you're out cutting hay, I'll be out cutting that today. Hopefully we'll get some action from them, because it's pretty cool.